welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Study identifies a new compound that inhibits influenza virus replication. Researchers have identified a compound that inhibits the body's own methyltransferase MTR1, thereby limiting the replication of influenza viruses. The compound proved effective in lung tissue preparations and mouse studies and showed synergistic effects with already approved influenza drugs. In order to distinguish foreign from its own nucleic acids, the cell uses a kind of labeling system. Own RNA, for example, is tagged with a molecular cap that identifies it as non-hazardous. This enables the immune system to react specifically to threats. The molecular cap is a methylated nucleoside, a small molecule attached to the end of the RNA chain. Tagged in this way, the RNA does not trigger an immune response. However, if there is RNA in the cell that lacks the cap structure, it is recognized by the immune receptor RIG1 and the immune system is alerted. To escape this, influenza viruses steal the molecular cap from cellular RNA molecules and transfer it to their own RNA. This process is called cap snatching. Pancreatic cancer rates rising faster in women than men, confirm study findings. In a large-scale nationwide study, investigators from Cedar Sinai Cancer have confirmed that rates of pancreatic cancer are rising faster among younger women, particularly black women, than among men of the same age. The pancreas, located just behind the stomach, secretes enzymes and hormones that help the body digest food and process sugars. Pancreatic cancer has the highest mortality rate of all major cancers, accounting for 3% of all cancer deaths in the US and is more common among men than women. In this study, investigators combed data from the National Program of Cancer Registries (NCPR) database, which represents approximately 64.5% of the US population, on patients diagnosed with pancreatic cancer between 2001 and 2018. Rare neurological disease involving cellular recycling discovered by NIH scientists. Scientists identified 3 children with the condition, 2 siblings and an unrelated child. The 3 children all had issues with motor coordination and speech, and 1 child had abnormalities in the cerebellum. Additionally, the children all had mutations in both copies of the ATG4D gene. ATG4D aids in the cellular housekeeping process called autophagy, which cells use to break down and recycle damaged proteins and other defective pieces of the cell to stay healthy. Autophagy is a fundamental process used by cells throughout the body, but neurons are particularly dependent on autophagy for survival. Little is known about how ATG4D contributes to healthy neurons. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.